In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ThinkOrSwim account. ThinkOrSwim is a powerful trading platform, and setting up your account is the first step to accessing its full potential. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open a Charles Schwab account. This is because ThinkOrSwim is actually a service provided through Schwab, so your login credentials will be the same. To get started, head over to the official Charles Schwab website and navigate to the account opening section. This is a straightforward process, but if you have any questions, Schwab's customer service is always available to help. Taking your time now will ensure a smoother experience later. Once you're on the Schwab account opening page, you'll need to choose an account type. There are several options available, including an individual brokerage account, a joint account, an IRA for retirement savings, or a margin account if you're eligible. Your choice here should reflect your financial goals and trading plans. Selecting the right account type is crucial because it affects how you manage your investments and taxes. With your chosen account type in mind, proceed to complete the application. You'll need to provide some personal information such as your name, address, and date of birth. Additionally, you will be asked for your social security number or tax ID, if applicable, as well as details about your employment and financial situation. This information helps Schwab understand your investment needs and comply with regulatory requirements. Be sure to double-check all your entries for accuracy. This can save you time later. Next, Schwab might request additional documentation to verify your identity. This step is critical for your security and to comply with financial regulations. Providing accurate documents helps ensure your account is approved without unnecessary delays. If a request for documents arises, follow the instructions carefully and promptly. Remember, this step protects your personal and financial information. After your identity is verified, you have the opportunity to fund your account. While there's generally no minimum deposit required to open a Schwab brokerage account, some trading features might have additional requirements. Funding your account at this stage can prepare you for trading right away, but it's not mandatory. Consider your investment strategy when deciding how much to deposit. Once your account is approved and ready, it's time to enable ThinkOrSwim. Log into your Schwab account and go to the ThinkOrSwim section. Follow the prompts to activate your account for ThinkOrSwim trading. This is an important step because it links your Schwab account to the ThinkOrSwim platform, unlocking all its trading features. Now you can choose how you want to access ThinkOrSwim. You have three options: ThinkOrSwim Desktop, ThinkOrSwim Mobile, or ThinkOrSwim Web, which is the browser version. Download or launch the version that best suits your needs. Then simply sign in with your Schwab username and password. This flexibility and access means you can trade on the go or from the comfort of your desk. If you're not ready to commit to opening a brokerage account, Charles Schwab offers a 30-day ThinkOrSwim Guest Pass. This allows you to explore the platform with simulated trading and virtual funds. Visit the Schwab website at international.schwab.com/trading/ThinkOrSwim/guestpass for more information. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on setting up your ThinkOrSwim account. By following these steps, you'll be ready to explore the markets with one of the most robust trading platforms available.